Hey guys, welcome back. We're making a welding cart today. A little bit different to working on cars. I recently purchased a MIG welder, so I need to make another trolley to house another bottle and a third machine. This is my original trolley. You could probably fit 3 machines on this, although I cannot fit 2 gas bottles. I could maybe cut it up and modify it, but I'm going to make a new one. I also bought some big wheels for it because smaller wheels, and especially that they were cheap as and they're kind of crap, when you push it around it knocks and it just doesn't perform properly. So we'll make a new trolley, and then after that we can clear up this shambles which is my shed. The main reason I bought the MIG welder was so I could make some framing pretty quick for in here, and it's just pretty sweet to be able to buzz stuff together. But anyway, besides that, we'll start building a welding trolley. Just like that. That was an unnecessarily large weld for the wheel. I've only done it so large because I wanted to try running a large bead with MIG because this is the first time I'm using it, so feel free to hate in the comments. here's the welding cart, pretty much completed. I haven't painted it yet because I might want to add a few like things to it, maybe an extra hook or whatever, maybe a little platform for my filler. I haven't decided yet, so I'm going to run it like this, use it around the shop, and then see how it goes and what I've got to add. Other than that, there it is. It's got no things here, so it looks pretty clean and fresh. Ratchet strap holds the bottles. It's just the cart. The big decent wheels, like not the crap wheels I used to have on my old cart, make quite a difference. It's very easy to move around. My other one was a nightmare, and just getting it around was pretty bad. So there it is, guys. Hope you like it. I'll see you on the next one.